Hi friends, welcome to Speciopedia. Speciopedia presents number 31.
Hi friends, welcome to Speciopedia. I am back with a new video. In yesterday's video, we see about comets, and in today's video, we will discuss about how stars work. So, we can understand that this is our new playlist. We have completed the playlist known as the solar system, and this is our playlist stars. So, let's start the video. How stars work. A star is a brilliant shining ball of extremely hot gas, mainly hydrogen, that generates fantastic amount of energy in its core. This energy travels out through the star until it reaches the surface, where it escapes into space as light, heat, and other types of radiation, invisible to our eyes. Stars are bright and hot because of vast quantity of energy they generate. Parts of a star. Stars vary tremendously in their size, but all of them have the same parts. Every star has an extremely hot central region or core that produces energy, one or more layers of gas through which this energy travels outwards, a very hot surface, and an atmosphere. An average star. Our sun is an ordinary star that looks huge to us because it's so close. Sun-sized stars have two layers through which energy moves outwards from the core. An inner layer where it travels by radiation and an outer layer that carries it by convection, rising and falling currents. In larger stars, these two layers are on the other way around, while some smaller stars have only one convection layer. Like all stars, the sun has a brilliant surface that emits light and heat. How stars shine. The energy produced by a star is released by nuclear fusion in its core. This process involves the nuclei, central parts of atoms joining together to make more massive nuclei. Fusion can only occur at extremely high temperatures present in star cores. Forces in stars. Most stars exist in stable state through a delicate balance between two forces: gravity, which pushes matter inwards, and pressure, generated by energy released from the core, which pushes matter outwards. First, forces in balance. In a normal star, the inward push of the gravity balances the outer push pressure. Second, star turns into red giant. The cores of old stars heat up. The extra heat boosts the outer pressure, so the star swells. Third, collapse to black hole. When a particularly large star dies, gravity may cause its core to collapse to form a black hole. Starlight. As well as visible light, star emits invisible types of radiation such as ultraviolet rays and microwaves, all which travel as waves. The whole range of these different radiations, including light, is called electromagnetic spectrum. Stars are too distant for us to visit them to study, but we can tell a lot about them from the light and other radiation they emit. Star brightness. A star's brightness or magnitude can be stated either as how it bright looks or how bright really is. These differ as stars vary in their distance from Earth, which affects how bright they appear. Oddly, a star brightness is measured on the scale in which small number denotes a bright star and big number indicates a dim star. These two stars look equally bright in the night sky, but in reality, star A is brighter but farther away, and the reality is this. We can see the star A is farther from sun but bigger and larger than B, but it's farther, so we can see that both are on same level. Electromagnetic spectrum. Light travels as a wave, and we see light waves of different lengths as colors. Red light, for example, has longer waves than blue. Stars produces energy in huge range of wavelengths, most of which are invisible to our eyes. Many astronomers study stars by using wavelengths we cannot see. Studying stars. By studying the spectrum of a star, astronomers can figure out many of the chemical elements it contains. Each chemical element in the star's atmosphere absorbs particular wavelengths in the spectrum of the radiation from the hotter gas beneath, producing a unique pattern like a fingerprint. The dark gaps in the spectrum of light from our sun above, this is the image, are caused by 67 different elements. Yes, this image is caused by 67 different elements. Variable stars. Some stars are regularly vary in both size and brightness. These stars are constantly trying to reach an equilibrium between the inward pulling gravitational force and the outward pushing pressure. They swell and shrink in regular cycles, varying from a few hours to few years, being brightest and hottest when smallest and dimmest when biggest. How far are the stars? All stars other than the sun are situated at incredible distances from Earth, which is why they appear as just pinpricks of light in the night sky. They are so far away that a special unit is needed to express their distance. This unit is a light year, which is distance travels light travels in a year. A light year is about 9.5 trillion kilometers. Measuring distance. There are various ways of measuring how far away stars are. One clear technique is to view the same star at two distinct times of year, when the Earth is at opposite side of its orbit around the Sun. If a star is nearby, its position relative to more distant stars appears to shift between these 2 points of view, an effect known as parallax. The amount of shift can be used to calculate exactly how far away it is. Using this method, astronomers have worked out that Proxima Centauri, the star closest to Sun, is about 4.2 light years away. Nearby stars. There are 33 stars lying within 12.5 light years of the Sun, some of which belong to multiple star systems containing 2 or 3 stars, means binary or trinary systems. Many of these nearby stars are small dim ones called red dwarfs, but a few larger, dazzling yellow, orange and white stars. The diagram shows their positions in space relative to Sun at the center. This is the diagram of all the stars which are 12.5 light years from the Sun, and we will see each of them by zoomed in them. First, Struve 2398 A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 11.5 light years away from the Sun. Ross 248. This is the image and it is 10.3 light years away from the Sun. Groombridge 34 A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 11.6 light years away from the Sun. Lalande 21185. This is the image and it is 8.3 light years away from the Sun. DX Cancri. This is the image and it is 11.8 light years away from the Sun. 61 Cygni A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 11.4 light years away from the Sun. Procyon A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 11.4 light years away from the Sun. Lagrange star. This is the image and it is 12.4 light years away from the Sun. Wolf 359. This is the image and it is 7.8 light years away from the Sun. Ross 128. This is the image and it is 10.9 light years away from the Sun. Barnard star. This is the image and it is 5.9 light years away from the Sun. Sirius A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 8.6 light years away from the sun. Teegarden star. This is the image and it is 12.5 light years away from the sun. Epsilon Eridani. This is the image and it is 10.5 light years away from the sun. Proxima Centauri. This is the image and it is 4.2 light years away from the sun. Lytton 726-8 A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 8.7 light years away from the sun. Tau Ceti. This is the image and it is 11.9 light years away from the sun. YZ Ceti. This is the image and it is 12.1 light years away from the sun. GJ1061. This is the image and it is 12 light years away from the sun. Ross 154. This is the image and it is 9.7 light years away from the sun. AZ Aquarial. It is a trinary system and it is 11.3 light years away from the sun. Epsilon Indi system. This is the image. Main sequence star with brown dwarf companions. It is 11.8 light years away from the sun. Lacaille 9352. This is the image and it is 10.7 light years away from the sun. Alpha Centauri A and B. This is the image. It is a binary system and it is 4.4 light years away from the sun. So friends, I hope that you liked the information and my video. So goodbye and take care.